the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make iced tea at home. First, we're going to need a 3.8 quart plastic pitcher, 2 pounds of ice. I'm using 4 bottles of the Poland Spring water. We're going to start off with 2 cups of sugar. You can add the sugar as you go along to your taste. We're also going to need 2 bags of Lipton's cold brew, no boiling, family size tea bags, and 1 lemon. We're going to squeeze the juice from that. Okay guys, so first what you want to do is take your 2 tea bags, drop them down into your pitcher, and just pour your bottles of water over. Okay guys, next just get you a long spoon, move your tea bags around, just like that. Then we're going to let it sit and brew for 5 minutes. If you like your tea stronger, you can add another tea bag in. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. So now what we're going to do is just move the tea bags some, try to get them up to the top so we can go ahead and remove them. Okay guys, once you remove the tea bags, you can go ahead and put them in a bowl. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon juice. That's from 1 lemon. And I'm going to add in my 2 cups of sugar. And all we're going to do is mix it until the sugar melts. Okay guys, once the sugar is dissolved, you're going to just go ahead and start adding your ice in. Okay guys, here's your sweet iced tea. And if you want, you can go ahead and add drop some lemon slices in there, just to make it look pretty. Like that. Just push it down around in there. Then you can go ahead and pour you a tall glass of it. And stick you a piece of lemon on there. Okay guys, there you have it. Homemade iced tea, the quick and easy way. Thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. I'll see you guys next time.